Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. Today I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to change password on Paxful. If you're pretty much skeptical about the security of your account, then you can change your password now and then so that you can keep your account secure. Simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser of your choice. Make sure that you're logged into your Paxful account by typing in www.paxful.com and search. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon at the upper right hand corner and this will bring up a pop-up menu. Click the settings button from the expanded pop-up and this will open up your account settings. Click on the security tab from the left hand side of the screen. If you scroll a bit down after that, you should see change password option. Type in your current password for your Paxful account into the first box. Now, enter the new password that you are trying to change to. Make sure that your password is at least 8 characters long with one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one special character. Also, don't forget to put in one numerical character in your password as well. Now, you'll need to confirm typing in your new password one more time into the last text box. And finally, click on Change Password. Remember that changing your password will log you out of all of your active sessions. Once you click on Change Password, wait for a few seconds and there you have successfully changed your password for Paxful. You can save your password for future use by clicking on Save at the upper right. Now, this will redirect you to the login area of Paxful. Simply enter your valid information, that is your phone number or your email address, followed by your new password. Click on the login button, complete the verification in the pop-up, and there you have successfully changed your password and logged in with your new password for Paxful. That is how you can easily change your password for a Paxful account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.